No, no! What are you doing? Please don't make me brake so hard, please. It's not that easy for me to brake, you know, when I'm riding even 30 miles an hour. It's not really easy for me to brake because other factors too, so I have to be really careful while braking. It's still hard for me. I still have to take into consideration all the factors around me. Damn, my bike's flying. I'm going on the I'm flying on the left side. I was about to drop. If I didn't have good control on my bike, I would have easily fallen now. It's so freaking windy out here. It's really windy, so you have to be really careful, and especially when you're stopped, it's really hard for you to stand straight like 90 degrees, you know. Why is this guy walking on the road even though there's a sidewalk? Just don't get it, you know, people logic. I see so many people jogging in the nighttime, or like during the really early day when there's no light, or where there's, you know, quite often traffic going on. Like people like really jog on the road, even though they're like sidewalks. They still choose to jog and walk on the road like so easy, nice, so I mean so freely, you know. Like they own the road and they just don't care, you know. The sidewalks are for your safety, guys. I mean, for pedestrians. It's not for cars to drive, you know. Sidewalks, that's what it says, sidewalks. Because the sides are made for walking, not for driving. That's why they're not called side drives. So it's really windy. Ooh, now it's flowing towards me. The wind is towards me now. And my hands are freezing because I think it has a little bit started to rain. And as you can see, all these leaves, it's flying everywhere. It's flying everywhere. So I just don't want to get trapped anywhere, you know. Like I was pulling out of my house. Like right now, I was pulling out of my house and starting to get on the main street. I almost dropped my bike, but I don't know, somehow I controlled my bike. I prevented it from dropping it on the ground. I don't know how, but I just controlled it. Good thing my phone is waterproof or water resistant or whatever you can say. That's why I don't mind keeping my phone outside, you know. But still, I have to get home quick because it's almost raining, you know. It's almost raining. And I hate these vapors forming inside my helmet. I need to get the anti-vapor spray or the solution. My cousin has that, and he puts it. So it prevents from the condensation to happen inside the helmet, so you can see clearly, you know. Oh, somebody just got clicked. By the time I reach home, the whole screen will be covered with rain water, you know, water drops. And my hands will be frozen. I'll be frozen to death, I'll tell you. Okay, a little bit slower. We're going slow, so I won't really feel that cold. But it's still, my hands are still frozen. Ooh, there was a bump. Whoa, where is that guy riding, dude? That's illegal. Riding on shoulder, it's really illegal, guys. So never do that. Even though you're a motorcyclist, it doesn't matter. You have to be on the road. Look at that. That guy's like literally lane splitting and just riding on shoulders and everywhere, you know? Like seriously, some people just don't understand that it's dark enough to have the lights on. Like everybody has his lights on, but this guy is just some special human being, you know? Like special cases that they just don't put the lights on. And it's really scary. And it's quite dark. It's dark enough to have the lights on. That's it. That's how far you could get on a motorcycle, dude. Even with the lane split and shit. Come on, dude. You'd not really use your brains. If you wanted to lane split and ride on the shoulder, like cut through lanes and every shit, you would be gone. I thought you'll be all the way far away gone, you know. But you're still here, dude. You didn't really go that far. So you don't really need speed if you want to get far. You need some brains and some logic, some common sense. Because speed is not always everything. I can't really see because there are water droplets on my helmet, so I can't really see I can't really see the road. So it's really scary for me. I'm just trying to go slow, you know. And nothing happens to me because I don't want to slip or have an accident. And it's really windy. The wind is still blowing.